Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today we're going to be checking out tech from Walmart. Let's do it!
What? No way.
Alright, we're wasting no more time. Let's go!
Alright, let's see what we have to offer here. Lots of good stuff. Alarm clock? Which one? This one?
That looks like it's gonna break the first time you
Some on-brand speaker here. Okay. Groove On, smart rugged speaker. Alright. Add that to the collection. Not a little more.
Hey Ben, you don't need a landline for your dorm?
Oh, $9. Let's see what else we got. So we got, what else? What other cool stuff do we have here?
Universal battery charger?
What is this?
Is that like a power bank or?
It's kind of sick looking. Ooh. This is like an open box one. Should I do this one?
Yeah, do it, do it. Hey Ben, you wanna buy a printer, bro?
How much does this thing cost?
Looks like $3.
Whoa.
Opa.
Should we try this microphone, bro? This one? And also that one. Yeah,
And
there you go.
then, you need another thing?
Yes.
Okay. I'm
What?
gonna ask
No
3 months.
way. I served in Argentina.
Buenos Aires?
Yep, Buenos.
Here's the hell one.
What do you think about all these, the on brand from Walmart?
It's decent.
Yeah?
Yeah, I haven't had any problems with it. It's just the TVs are bad.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
On TV suck?
Yeah.
This video is sponsored by MK1 Watches. Alright, so this company is an awesome company that makes automotive style watches. And I love their watches. They're amazing. This is one of their new watches. I love this one. And look at this thing. It spins and it's just beautiful. This thing is absolutely amazing. And honestly, I get compliments on these watches all day. It's crazy. I even got an extra one and I gave it to my brother, and he tells me that like literally every day people are like, whoa, what is that watch? Because it's just super, it's just really flashy, honestly. It's a really just nice looking watch, and then but it spins, and that's what usually grabs people's attention is the spinning. And so when it's just sitting there and it's just spinning, people are like, whoa, what is that watch? And so it's really awesome that way. I really love this watch. This is the blue and black colorway. It's super awesome. I think this is the Chiron series, and I honestly love it a lot. So I'll leave a link to the MK1 watches in the description. But their watches are super awesome, super clean, and honestly they're very affordable. It's not like they're these super expensive watches, and so you won't be breaking the bank. And honestly, highly recommend them. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Alright, let's check out what we brought back. Alright, we got this Groove On small rugged Bluetooth speaker made by On, the Walmart brand. Oh yeah, check it out. Alright, let's get this speaker open. Oh yeah, looking nice. Okay, let's open up the box. Okay, pretty cheap little packaging, but it's to be expected. Okay, looking good. We get a little manual here, box. And then we get the actual speaker right here. All right, it's in this little paper. Okay, and pretty good looking speaker, honestly. We got some buttons on the top here, the power button, looks like some pairing buttons, and it's a pretty small little speaker. Let's see how it goes. Let's power it up.
Power on.
So let's see, we got the On rugged speaker. All right. Looks like we have a port cover right here on the side. Very nice. We got a USB-C charger. All right, let's play some music, see what we got here. All right. We got a little string on the side, a little hold it, buttons on the top. I'm not sure what this does.
Searching for connection.
Oh, that's just connecting. This thing's actually kind of impressive. The bass is it actually sounds really good. Surprisingly, from Walmart, for the price, dang. It's not as loud as I wish it could be, but it is pretty dang good. And it's even rugged, and it says it's IPX7, water and dust resistant, and it has 10 hours of battery life. So honestly, pretty impressive. We got this Bauer universal battery charger. No idea, but I'm interested to check it out. So we'll see what happens. All right, next thing we got right here is this universal battery charger. So I got this thing open box, so it's a lot cheaper. But I actually have no idea if this thing is any good or not. So let's get it open. So okay, get that right away. That's it. Let's see what we find here. Okay, so I'm really interested to see what the freak this thing does, because this thing has a bunch of little parts right here to charge. All right, so we got the universal battery charger right here, and we're gonna test it out with some batteries right here. Okay, so I got this AA battery right here, Duracell. It's a disposable battery, but we'll see if it charges it. I'm not really sure if this is what it's supposed to do, but let's give it a try here. And then it should, oh shoot, it's actually charging the battery. This thing can literally charge like disposable batteries, so you can have them all powered up. So this one's just in the back of my mouse. But let's see what else we got. This is for my camera slider. We're gonna see if this one can charge right here. So we got 2 contact points right here. Let's see what we got. Okay, I actually have no idea if this is gonna work, if it's gonna like blow up or anything. So we'll see what happens. Oh shoot, there it goes, it's charging. Yo, that's actually kind of sick. This is actually super versatile. You could totally use that with a bunch of things. Then we got this USB dual pattern microphone made by On, the Walmart company, Surf On. So we'll see how good this thing is. Let's get this thing open. Open it from the side here. Okay. Open up the box. Looks like we got a USB-C to USB type A, and we got the microphone itself. Wow. The build is actually pretty nice. It seems to be made of plastic, but it's pretty solid feeling. So that's really good sign. Looks like we got the gain, where you can turn the mic on or off, and it seems like it's pretty stable. Little stand here. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. We'll have to give this one a test. So this microphone is more to like a podcast type microphone. We got this little mount on the bottom that would sit there right on your desk or something, and we're gonna see how it does. So you can totally mount this wherever you want. That's pretty cool. And this thing costs about $25 too. All right, let's get this thing connected. So we got a USB-C port on the back. All right, now we're switching over to this microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. This is from the On microphone. It says like the Surf microphone or something like that. We have a little here. Oh, I think this turns the microphone off. And turns it back on. We'll see how that sounds after. So I got the gain all the way up right now. I wonder how it sounds. I'm gonna move the gain up and down. Exactly how it sounds with that. Okay, we're gonna mess with the settings on the back. This looks like we have, it changes the direction of the microphone. Looks like we get a full direction, unidirectional, and then we get focused more on an area. See if that does anything. But testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully it sounds better than my actual microphone, because my actual microphone is not even close to my mouth right now. But yeah, so we'll see. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And we got some super cheap Bluetooth over-ear headphones, so we'll see how they turn out. I'm actually super excited to test these out, so we'll see how they go. All right, now these are the ones I'm actually the most excited for. These On Bluetooth over-ear headphones, because they literally cost $14. And they're over-ear headphones, and if they're better than my AirPods Max, boy, I'm gonna blow up my AirPods Max. So let's get these things open, see what we got here. Okay, pretty cheap packaging right here. Oh yeah, there they are. Okay, some useless instructions. Looking mighty fine here. Oh heck yeah. Okay. They're pretty light, pretty cheap construction. And it looks like we have an aux cable and a charging port. Looks like they still got micro USB, but I'm actually super hyped to check these things out. So first we're gonna test the Bluetooth over-ear headphones by On. These are $15 at Walmart, so they're pretty cheap. So let's test them out. Okay, so I got them paired up Bluetooth right here, and we're gonna see how they are. Okay, let's play the music right here. So we do have some buttons on the side. The middle is the pairing button, and it pauses and plays the music. Then we got 2 buttons on the bottom and the above that change the volume and the song. We also have a headphone jack on the bottom and a micro USB charging cable. And these things are only 15 bucks, but honestly, for what you get, they're not horrible. Obviously, the part in the middle right here is gonna leave a bruise on your head, but if you can get past that, the ear cups are pretty comfortable. They seal pretty well. And the sound, it's not the best I've ever heard, but it is decent. So honestly, for 15 bucks, it's kind of a steal. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend it to anybody that's looking for like a nice pair of headphones, but if you're looking for a cheap pair of over-ear headphones from Walmart, go for it. It's kind of the move. Our final thing we got are these Groove On wireless earphones. So I'm super excited to check these out. They got this magnetic opening thing. They look kind of big, but we'll see how they are. Now for the last product of the day. All right, let's get these things open. Looks like we got 48 hours of playtime. Dang, box is complicated. All right, here we go. Got it open, finally. Useless. Okay, holy fetch. This packaging is massive. Oh my gosh. Looks like we got some extra ear tips. Very nice, very nice. We got a USB-C to USB Type-A charger. Very nice. We got the actual earbuds themselves. Oh, we got that like Beats Fit Pro or Power Beats Pro type fit. Very nice, very nice. These things cost about $25, and we're gonna see how they sound. Got our touch functions on the sides, ear tips, and we got some microphones on there. And yeah, let's get them in. Let's see how they fit in my ear real quick. Holy crap, they are suffocating my ears. They fit so tight. I literally can't hear anything, and it's like almost like earplugs. Sometimes you take for granted the ventilation thing in the AirPods. Okay, let's see how they sound here. All right, overall analysis, they sound decent. Not the best I've ever heard for the price range, but honestly decent value for what you're getting. They have pretty good battery life. They fit really well in your ears. They have the little active hooks around your ears, so it stabilizes them. They don't fall out of your ears easily if you're like doing sports or whatever. Yeah, they seal off your ears like crazy. They're like earplugs. The case is a little massive, and that's something that bothers me personally, and I probably wouldn't buy them for that reason. But if you can get past that, you're balling on the $25 budget, go for it. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want to check out any of these Walmart products, the links are in the description. Be sure to go check them out. And also be sure to go check out our channel sponsor, MK1 Watches. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.